Greetings and welcome back. We're going over exercise 6.5, configuring VPN in a network. This is when you want to work inside of your own network and connect from one computer to the other. It makes it easier. There's other ways. We're going to go over remote desktop in another chapter, but this is how you networkly connect from one side to the other, and you can act as your own user when you're doing that. Again, we're already in London. Oh, excuse me. Go to London, DC 1. London, DC 1. Wait for it to come up, of course. I'm going to pause it while it's waiting. Okay, now that we're here, we click Administrator. This thing's slowing down today. I'm going to pause it until it catches up. Alright, I'm back again. Sorry about that delay. So we're going to go into Tools, Active Directory, User and Computers, right? Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. You want to expand this, go to Users, and you'll see a list of users. There's many ways you can do this, right? This case, you're going to do New User, User, click out Clark for the first name, Wayne. It says to type this other stuff in Clark Wayne, but it automatically fills it in there, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. Go with C Wayne as the first login name, and as you can see, it fills it out here. Click Next, and I'm going to copy this right from here. Make sure you don't grab the period, because it will look at that. And they want you to deselect the user must change the password in the next login. Click Next. And then it just reinstate to what you just did, create the new user. This is the way I normally do it though. Right click, you click on, I'm going to click on this guy that we just made. Right click and copy. The reason why I do this, it copies everything else in this directory, but I'll go over that more later when we talk about copying objects. But there's stuff in here like the folders they go into and what permissions they have. It all does that when you actually hit copy rather than new, where you got to start out new every time. So we get all this, finish, double click Wayne, and this time we're just going to go into his things. What I was saying is that the web page, email, and troubleshooting profile, this is where their home folder is. You also want to connect, and it will do a share folder there too if you want. And there's other things that it'll copy, so you don't have to change everything. Like telephone numbers, if you have it here, you only have to change the last four for the mobile number. Anyway, where are we? Double click here, member of list. And we want to click on add. In the domain admin and click OK. So we want to put domain admin. And again, I always check names, but I'm going to just show you what happens if you don't check names real quick. It has all the different domains that you could use. We're going to click domain admin and it fills out there. Click apply. That's just saying that it didn't have the right shared folders. In the dial-in tab, You're going to allow access. Hit screen, click OK, apply. Again, the share folder's not there. That's not what we're looking for though. Hang on a second. Just to correct myself, I actually had this connected here. I got to go back over here, apply, and then it worked. Hit OK. Just trying to correct my own mistake. Now we log into CL1. And we're waiting. We're in firewalls here still, so let's just get rid of this. Get rid of that. Should always clean up after each one of your labs. But live and learn. So we logged into there. Click on network status again. And that would be settings. This is another way you can get to it. Settings. Network and internet. And from here, it says, where are we? Network sharing page. This is where we are. Sorry, I went to the wrong place. That is another way to do it, but I was just, you click on the open network sharing. Over here, it says to connect to the workplace or set up a new connection to your network right here. Connect to the network workplace right here. And from here it says on the connect to a workplace page, click My Internet Connection VPN. And if you go back, what it's trying to do is saying that you're using your PC to connect to the internet to go to a different place. This is just VPN. This would be like if you're working from home. This is to working through the internet. On the connection page, use my internet VPN. I'll set up my internet connection later. Excuse me. Always click on the wrong one. Okay, you clicked on the bottom one. If you go here, I could read, I set up the internet connection later. And here it just wants you to type 172.16.0.3, 172.16.0.13. Leave this as a VPN connection and hit create. Click on the network status. Click on the VPN connection. When setting the Windows open, VPN connection. This is where I went to the last time. I kind of got ahead of myself. So I went to settings, network here, VPN, and it has that VPN connection right here. Connect. Comes up with a login. Copy. And grab your password that you used up here. I didn't grab the space. Put it in here. Hit there. And it says connecting. Connecting is complete. And you are connected right now. If you ever want to disconnect it, you just click disconnect and you're done. I'm just going to go to the next exercise to show you what's going on. But basically, right at the top it says to perform this exercise, you have to be on a physical laptop or wireless network. So I'm not going to do this lab because I don't want to, I'm at home and I'm not going to show you my private networks and how I log in. I'll do this at school though. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been chapter 6. See you in chapter 7.